fake walkie-talkies. I wish I was real. No way. Okay. My little pony. Okay. Jesus Christ, they smashed up this whole place. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's just look around. What's this? So cool. People are definitely here. Huh? What? Trophy? Sad. That's cool though. This is so cool. Huh? Juice. Dude. This place is massive. Huh? Where?
See, look, there's a basement.
I'm not going into the basement, fuck that.
What?
Dangerous.
You go find it.
Also, look, people been here recently.
Will you go find it?
No. I'm only here just because we found it. And you know me, I'm nosy. Well, where's the attic? Oh, that's a pretty bag.
There's some stuff.
Yeah. Wow.
Ruby's the attic. Over there.
This is, yeah. Fuck that. Oh, wow. Whoever lived here lived like like an absolute swamp. Deep if you wanna. It won't be mine. Dude! Shit. This place is so cool. He's just investigating everything. Dude. Yo. Look at it. Oh my god. There's another room that we didn't go to.
Okay.
What for? Keep it. It might be useful. Jesus Christ. There's so many fridges in here. It's like 2. There's an Asus charger in there. There's an Asus charger in there.
Hey, look.
What? What? Ooh. You wanna go over there since you like that?
That's American. Oh, that's the American. What?
So Americans lived here?
That wouldn't be possible because there's no American. Careful.
What?
Knife.
Yeah, cool. Don't touch it.
Fuck, I just touched it. Come on.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Someone had a fun time in here. Summoning demons and shit.
Just touch the wall.
It's fine, just wash your hands when you get back.
What are you doing?
We're only doing this for a slight recording.
And anything valuable.
I know, I'm just right. You gotta remember, this whole place is damaged. flooded? Check. Yo. Looks like the other. This looks like the other pub. We're not going in there then. Oh, no wonder. This place is being flooded by the toilets. Okay. Yo. Don't like being in here for too long. Someone stole it. Man, you get so lucky with pennies. Bread.
Look there.
Milk. Wait, that's recent. 22nd Jan. I'm blowing at your face anyways. Okay, come on. 5p?
Broken.
I don't care. Fake walkie-talkies. I wish that was real. No way. Huh?
Could have been an animal.
I don't know, but that's spooked.